Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to trim video in CapCut PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to trim a video in CapCut. First, open CapCut and load a project you've been working on. Once your video is loaded, you have two main ways to trim it. The first method is simple. Click on a video clip, hover to either the beginning or end, and drag the arrows to the point where you want the video to start or end. For example, you might trim it down to just a minute and 21 seconds. The second, more precise method is to use the split tool. Move your playhead to the point where you want to cut the video. Click split to divide the clip into two parts. You can then select the portion you don't need and either press the delete key or right click and choose delete. There's also a shortcut key B to quickly access the trimming tool. This method makes it easy to remove unwanted sections and fine-tune your video for a polished final result. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.